Hello friends. Hmm. Actually, in previous class, I taught you noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause, and this is the advanced form. Advanced now, I depth knowledge about the dependent clauses. Dependent clauses means the clause which is depend upon main clause, right? Dependent clause also divided into three parts: noun clause, adjective clause, and verb clause. Now, clause is already I told you. Today I suggest these connectors. These connectors I show you what, who, whom, which, when, where, why, how. These connectors meaning different in different situation, right? If condition, then whether. If a statement, simple statement, then that. WH words change the meaning. There is the connectors. Not its meaning is just like what means yeah. Here what means do. What he knows is right means जो वह जानता है वह सही है. So what means जो. When he as a connector works ना, what means क्या नहीं. What means क्या नहीं. यहाँ जो का सेंस होता है. ठीक है. Second topic is the connectors and subject plus verb. We use yes. I know that he is honest. मैं जानता हूँ कि वह ईमानदार है. यहाँ की का सेंस है डैड से. ठीक है ना. He asked whether you are coming. उसने पूछा कि आप कब. यहाँ से लिखा गया वेदर मैंने आप कब आ रहे हो. सेंस ये है. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई ही लेफ्ट. मैं नहीं समझ पाया कि वो क्यों छोड़ चला गया. ठीक है. टेल मी व्हाट यू वांट. कहो तुम क्या चाहते हो. कहो जो तुम चाहते हो. यहाँ मीनिंग ये है क्या चाहते हो नहीं है. कहो. कहो जो तुम चाहते हो. टेल मी व्हाट यू वांट. कहो. कहो जो तुम चाहते हो. Here the clause works like a noun or object of verb. Already I told you these things. Adjective clause connectors you see. An adjective clause describe a noun. Adjective just like describing the noun. No? Same situation here. No, no, nothing is new. Okay. Common connectors are who for people, whom for object, whose for profession, which for things, that for people, things, and where. The structure is just like connector plus subject plus verb describing noun. The boy who is playing is my brother. वह लड़का जो खेल रहा है मेरा भाई है. दिस इज द बुक. या वही किताब है दैट आई बॉट जो मैं खरीदा. द हाउस वेयर आई लिव इज बिग. वह घर जहाँ मैं रहता हूँ बड़ा है. द हाउस वेयर यहाँ कहाँ नहीं है, जहाँ है मीनिंग इसका। द हाउस वेयर आई लिव इज बिग। द हाउस इज बिग इज द प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज, वेयर आई लिव इज द adjective clause, right? Here, house is a noun and describing where I live. It's describing of the noun. That's why this this clause is called adjective clause. Be careful. When any noun described by the clause, then that clause is what? Adjective clause. Simple statement, that is the noun clause. Simple statement. What he said is right. He, where she go, I don't know. I don't know where she go. Right? These are the statements. A statement, that's a noun clause. Another is the girl whose father is a doctor is my friend. Okay, वह लड़की जिसके पिताजी डॉक्टर है मेरी दोस्त है. It gives extra information about a noun. Adverb clause connects us, and adverb clause tells about time, region, condition, contrast. समय के विषय में बताता है, कारण बताता है, कंडीशन शर्त बताता है, कंट्रास्ट माने विरोधाभास बताता है. कॉमन कनेक्टर्स कौन कौन से हैं? व्हेन, व्हाइल, बिफोर, आफ्टर, सिंस, अनटिल. कंडीशन इफ एल्स, रीजन बिकॉज सिंस. कंट्रास्ट में ऑल्दो, दो, इवन दो. छोटे छोटे माने सिंपल वर्ड्स आर देयर, you learn and use as I use in this class, right? If, else, when, condition, time, when, while, before, after, since, until, all are according to situation, so that, in order that, purpose, result, so that, such that. I will call you when I arrive. मैं आपको कॉल करूंगा जब मैं पहुंचूंगा. She don't know, don't come because she was sick. वह नहीं आई क्योंकि वह बीमार थी. You can go if you finish your work. आप जा सकते हो जब अपना यदि अपना जब आप अपना काम समाप्त करोगे, आप जा सकते हो. Although it was raining, we played. यद्यपि बारिश हो रही थी तब भी हम लोग खेले. He studied hard so that he can pass. उसने कठिन परिश्रम किया ताकि वो पास कर सके. This clauses modify verb tell how, when, why, etc. Take noun clause acts as noun. Adjective clause describe a noun. And adverb clause modifies verb. I know that he is right. मैं जानता हूँ वो सही है. The man who came is here. जो आदमी आया वो यहाँ है. I came because you called. मैं आया क्योंकि आपने बुलाया. पहचानने का नियम क्या है? If it behaves like a thing के तरफ behave करे तो noun clause. If it describe a noun, the adjective clause. If it tells how, why, when, the adverb clause. Uh, do practice more and more. If you like my video, then you like it and subscribe my channel, and comment me how you feel after studying of these things, and how beautiful how improvement videos I share to you and make to you for you. Suggest me in comment. Okay, and subscribe my channel, and share this video among your friends. More and more people are aware about these things. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Thank you.